AMP cost extremely equivalent to $0.0039 a coin, or so they by and large thought. The present exchange cost range, 0.0038 0.0040 in an extremely large way. The earlier day close, 0.0039, which really is very huge. The change especially was 0.0000, 0.00%, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Opposite rate, USD to AMP in a sort of enormous manner. AMP value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month in an unpretentious manner. AMP cost forecast on Monday, April 17, cost $0.0039, certainly most extreme 0.0042, especially least 0.0036, or so they especially thought. AMP conjecture on Tuesday, April 18, cost $0.0040, most extreme 0.0043, exceptionally least 0.0037, kind of additional appearance how today, S exchange cost range, 0.0038 0.0040, AMP cost expectation on Wednesday, April 19, cost $0.0039, genuinely most extreme 0.0042, in every practical sense, least 0.0036, by and large further appearance how especially reverse rate, USD to AMP. AMP gauge on Thursday, April 20, cost $0.0040, especially most extreme 0.0043, really least 0.0037 in an unpretentious way. AMP cost forecast on Friday, April 21, cost $0.0040, most extreme 0.0043, really least 0.0037 in a quite large way. In multi-week AMP figure on Monday, April 24, cost $0.0040, lovely most extreme 0.0043, sort of least 0.0037 in a by and large enormous manner. AMP cost expectation on Tuesday, April 25, cost $0.0041, greatest 0.0044, sort of least 0.0038, which generally is very critical. AMP figure on Wednesday, April 26, cost $0.0040, sort of most extreme 0.0043, least 0.0037 in an unobtrusive way. AMP cost expectation on Thursday, April 27, cost $0.0039, genuinely most extreme 0.0042, especially least 0.0036, which explicitly is very huge. AMP conjecture on Friday, April 28, cost $0.0040, beautiful greatest 0.0043, for the most part least 0.0037 in an unobtrusive manner. In about 14 days AMP cost expectation on Monday, May 1, cost $0.0041, exceptionally most extreme 0.0044, certainly least 0.0038 in a significant way. AMP gauge on Tuesday, May 2, cost $0.0041, certainly greatest 0.0044, beautiful least 0.0038 in an unobtrusive way. AMP cost forecast on Wednesday, May 3, cost $0.0040, truly most extreme 0.0043, truly least 0.0037 in a by and large enormous manner. AMP estimate on Thursday, May 4, cost $0.0040, lovely greatest 0.0043, by and large least 0.0037, which basically is genuinely huge. AMP cost expectation on Friday, May 5, cost $0.0039, truly most extreme 0.0042, essentially least 0.0036, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. In 3 weeks AMP estimate on Monday, May 8, cost $0.0040, really most extreme 0.0043, sort of least 0.0037. AMP cost forecast on Tuesday, May 9, cost $0.0041, exceptionally greatest 0.0044, kind of least 0.0038, which truly is very critical. AMP figure on Wednesday, May 10, cost $0.0041, fundamentally greatest 0.0044, least 0.0038, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. AMP cost forecast on Thursday, May 11, cost $0.0039. By and large greatest 0.0042, essentially least 0.0036, which certainly is very huge. AMP conjecture on Friday, May 12, cost $0.0040. Lovely most extreme 0.0043, kind of least 0.0037, which really is genuinely huge. In about a month AMP cost expectation on Monday, May 15, cost $0.0039. Beautiful greatest 0.0042, extremely least 0.0036, which all things considered is genuinely huge. AMP gauge on Tuesday, May 16, cost $0.0037. Truly most extreme 0.0040, in every practical sense, least 0.0034, which sort of is genuinely critical. USD to AMP swapping scale pretty equivalent to 255.10 coins per $1 in a kind of significant manner. Today, S reach 252.53.262.47, exhibiting that the change essentially was 0.0000%, or so they sort of thought. The past day, S nearby 257.07, showing that MP gauge on Tuesday, May 16, cost $0.0037. Most certainly greatest 0.0040. Genuinely least 0.0034, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Change for now 1.97, 0.77%, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. USD to AMP cost conjecture for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Dollar to AMP conjecture on Monday, April 17, cost 256.41 coins. Most extreme 277.78, least 238.10 in an especially significant way. USD to AMP expectation on Tuesday, April 18, cost 250.00 coins. Truly most extreme 270.27, truly least 232.56 in a huge way. Dollar to AMP estimate on Wednesday, April 19, cost 256.41 coins, especially greatest 277.78. In every practical sense, least 238.10, which really is genuinely critical. USD to AMP forecast on Thursday, April 20, cost 250.00 coins. By and large greatest 270.27, lovely least 232.56. Dollar to AMP conjecture on Friday, April 21, cost 250.00 coins. Sort of most extreme 270.27, exceptionally least 232.56, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. In multi-week USD to AMP forecast on Monday, April 24, cost 250.00 coins. Genuinely most extreme 270.27, beautiful least 232.56, showing how in about 14 days AMP cost expectation on Monday, May 1, cost $0.0041, truly greatest 0.0044, especially least 0.0038. Dollar to AMP figure on Tuesday, April 25, cost 243.90 coins. Essentially greatest 263.16, especially least 227.